Hello everybody and welcome to another video of Home for brand new technology. Because in this video there's a special thing. I will take a look at this brand new drone. I bought this for 70 euros and unfortunately after I bought it I looked on the internet and I've realized that you can buy this for $13 on AliExpress. And I live in Germany, so I think it would cost 25 or 30 euros. Yeah, I paid double as much and I never had one before actually. So I thought, obviously, if you buy a drone for 70 euros or 30, it won't be that good. But I just thought I never had one before, so I'm going to test this one and I'll do a little unboxing. One thing I realized is they're 14 plus. In Germany you need to be at least 16 that you can fly one of this. So yeah, but it's China, and if you Google it, ZFR HD camera UAV, you don't find anything about it. Just this one, nothing about the brand or anything like that. So yeah, but I'm pretty hyped, so we are going to take a look at this. And yeah, I'm also pretty hyped to fly one of these things by myself, because as I said, I never did this before. On the front side you see this picture of the drone. You see dual camera, 90 degrees ESC camera, altitude holding, headless mode. I have absolutely no idea what that is for, but I guess we'll find out. Visual obstacle avoidance. I also don't really know what that means. Optical flow positioning. Yeah, we'll find out about that. On this side you have some, one battery, two battery, three batteries. I guess I have no battery at all. HD camera, UAV, and yeah. This is the back. We have same thing, and yeah, it's foldable actually. That's cool. On this side we see I have the black one and not the orange one, and that's it. Just here. Let's open it up. And oh, we have this little. That's cool. Ugh. Oh. Ugh. This thing smells disgusting actually. Yeah. But it's practical and it's not heavy at all. It's lightweight as a feather, and we already have. Whoa. This is the first time I see this thing actually, and it's already not broken, but you know, it feels cheap. Alright, let's open it up. Man, I'll just. Oh, this thing's tiny, actually. That's weird. So we'll come to that later. We have that's lightweight and it don't know. These sticks feel actually okay. And we have speed. These are the same symbols as on the package. Up, down, Okay, and camera, up, down maybe? Oh. Alright, there are actually no batteries in here. This is so... Yeah, it's like... It weighs nothing, actually. And it's just pure plastic. Oh man. Here's the place for the smartphone. I'm filming with one. Man, that's so cheap. We have something in here also, or don't we? No. Okay, we have something up here. A screwdriver and for the propeller. Right. App. And oh, operating instruct. This looks just awful actually. iOS, Android, Google Play. Huh? Turn on the product power switch, enter the phone settings and open Wi-Fi. Yeah, I'm stupid. I should have googled it at first. So we have... Oh. But the English is not bad at all. The English is pretty good. Okay. Yeah, right. So, I was hoping it would feel just a little bit better than, yeah, it doesn't, obviously. So you can, like this, and also down here, there's the camera, the HD camera. I don't believe that yet, but we'll see. We have, oh, that's the antenna. We have here a camera thingy. What's that, a light? Not gonna lie, the package looked better as the product, but that's not the first time. So we have the battery here. These propellers are actually backup propellers. That's cool. Because I definitely... Yeah, I think I'll fly this thing to trash someday. I don't even think it would be a problem. I can contact the seller to purchase some of these accessories. I don't know where I can contact it, so yeah. But I know how to charge it with this USB port. The old one, not USB-C. Yeah. I think I load this overnight. Oh. It's on, actually. Yeah. We'll turn it off. I load it and we'll find out how it works tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned.